Hi friends, today we will discuss about human nervous system. Human nervous system is responsible for the control and coordinate all the activities in the human body, which is whether voluntary or involuntary. Mainly, human nervous system is divided into three parts. First is the central nervous system, second is the peripheral nervous system, and third is the autonomous nervous system. Central nervous system consists brain and spinal cord. After that, peripheral nervous system consists all the branches and all the nerves which is located peripherally below the skin to sense the touch or temperature, any other information which is sensed by the nervous system. It is included in the peripheral nervous system. And autonomous nervous system is that system which controls all the vital organs, such as pumping of heart, digestion and filtration by kidney, and maintenance of the blood pressure. It is happen by the autonomous nervous system. Firstly, we will concentrate on the central nervous system, which having brain and spinal cord. Firstly, we will focus on the brain. Brain is covered by the meninges, which is a fibrous structure around the brain to provide nutrition and provide the shock protection. Meninges are mainly divided into three layers. First is the dura mater, arachnoid mater, and pia mater. In them, dura mater is the most toughest layer of the meninges, which having a fibrous structure. After the below the dura mater having a arachnoid mater. Arachnoid mater has a spider web-like structure, which is also nutritive in function and provide the protection below the dura mater. And after the pia mater is a most innermost structure layer present in the meninges, which is contact to the brain, and it is most highly vascular structure, having mainly role of provide nutrition. In between dura mater and arachnoid mater, there is a space present. The present space is a filled by the fluid, which is also called as a serous fluid. After below the arachnoid mater and pia mater, in between the space present is a spin with liquid, which is also called as cerebrospinal fluid. It is also present 120 ml in adults. After, what is the function of the meninges? Meninges has a main function to provide nutrition to the brain. After, it provides the oxygen to the brain, and it maintains the pressure inside the brain. It is all the functions of the meninges. When we focus to the forebrain consists olfactory lobes. Olfactory lobes consists tube-like and bulb-like structures present vertically to the dorsal side of the brain. It is responsible for the sense of smell. When in person which having a lack of sense of smell, it means it has a narrow or short olfactory lobes. Now we will learn the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, consists 80 to 85% of the brain, and it is the largest part of the forebrain, and it is divided into two equal hemispheres in the brain because of medial longitudinal fissure. And two hemispheres are connected in between each other with the help of network of fibers called corpus callosum. all the cavity present in the brain is filled by the cerebrospinal fluid, which is also called as CSF. CSF, and when present ventricle in the cerebrum is called as a lateral ventricle, and this roof of the cerebrum is called as a pallium, and surface of the hemispheres are also called as a cerebral cortex. Cerebral cortex is having a large area, so it is folded in between deeper and upper part of the brain, because of having large surface area. This deeper and upper part of the foldings are called as a gyri and sulci. Um, these gyri and sulci are folded as particular pattern. That pattern is responsible for the intelligence of the particular person.